Since 2013, Ecoppia has been innovating the market with new technologies year after year, placing it at the forefront of automated cleaning. Now Ecoppia unveils the latest addition to its suite of solutions. The H4, combining Ecoppia's renowned safety capabilities together with advanced smart cleaning. Powered by the Helix technology, the robot moves horizontally yet cleans vertically. Using safe microfibers and controlled airflow, the H4 channels dust and dirt particles downward without accumulating them. Under its solid structure lies smart machine learning capabilities that make it truly autonomous. The robot scans and learns its allocated row to detect obstacles. The H4 easily overcomes gaps between uneven solar arrays, automatically adjusting its speed, reaching even the hardest to clean areas. The Ecoppia H4 features patented bidirectional cleaning to minimize on-panel time, ensuring effectiveness. The robot can also initiate Super Duster mode to overcome dust storms and severe soiling events. Equipped with flexible wheels and four-wheel drive capabilities, the H4 absorbs sudden movements while protecting the panels from damage. Like all Ecoppia solutions, the H4 is cloud-based and connected, enabling easy monitoring and analysis. Safe, smart, and highly effective, the H4 stands at the forefront of automation for a bright solar future. Ecoppia, empowering solar.